Good morning, we're in LA. We're about to start. We cover the areas. We're going to clear some gravel. Let's see. Okay. What we're going to do next is excavate this area, waterproof drainage system, install a pump, connect the rain gutter, and run the discharge line all the way to the street. Great. Hey Robert, this is the second day. Wanted to show you a quick update. So this is the trench. That's where the footings ends. We dug about 1-2 feet below that so we can install our drainage system. Everything will lead over here. Pipes are ready into the forms. We're going to pour concrete around and create the sump pump pit. Over here we'll have another line connected to the gutter, and the discharge line will run all. Okay, this is our fourth day. This is our end result. We have the 2 cleanouts, drainage system that goes all the way to the pump, 2 types of waterproofing. This area was excavated. Rain gutter is connected to the pump pit as well. This is the pump pit. Discharge line all the way to the street. This is perfecto.